Wagemaster tutorials. Today we're going through how to create a new pay period in your Wagemaster file. Okay, let's jump right in. So I already opened my Wagemaster. So you go into setup and the last one, preferences. Okay, then select configuration from the tabs, then you go pay periods. So as you can see, currently I do have a weekly and fortnightly pay period. If you want to change the date that you already have in the file, you just need to click on edit, or you can double click, then you can select the date accordingly. So just in case if I want to make it my fortnightly pay period ending on every Thursday, I can just select 8 as for the Thursday from the calendar. Now if I want to add a new one in, so it's really simple. You just go and add, then just put a description, and also you just need to select the frequency. So in this case I will select calendar month. And also this is sometimes it can be very tricky when you select the calendar month and the 4 weekly. So 4 weeks weekly and the calendar month not going to be the same, because some months you might have 31st. So if you select the calendar month, it will be the last day of every month, and the other case the 4 week, every 4 weeks. Okay, I will select calendar month, then I just put a description as monthly. Let's see, because I select the calendar month, that's why I don't get the option to select the pay period ending date. But if I select the 4 weekly or even monthly, I can select, okay, what day, either going to be the first of the new month or the last day of the month, or like every 20th of every month. So many options available in the Wagemaster. You just click OK, and you always use the close to icon to save the changes. Now if I click on my pay period ending, as you can see 31st is now with the bold letters, and also the January. Alrighty, so thank you for watching everyone. If you need more information, please have a look at our Help Center articles or book one-on-one consultancy and training session with our team. All are linked in the description box. Also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a like if you enjoy it. Have a great day.